Every single day you walk into your bathroom and stare at that cloudy, disgusting shower glass. You scrub it, you spray it, you buy product after product, and nothing works. Nothing. But what if I told you that the cleaning industry has been hiding a $1 solution from you for decades? A solution so powerful, so simple, that it would put billion-dollar companies out of business overnight. They do not want you to know this. They have spent millions making sure you never find out. But today, everything changes. You are about to discover the one thing that removes hard water stains from shower glass instantly, permanently, without chemicals, without expensive products. Just one thing sitting in your kitchen right now. Stay until the end, because the last tip will shock you more than anything you have ever seen. Let me paint a picture for you. You wake up in the morning, you step into the shower, and you look at that glass door, that white, chalky, cloudy film staring back at you. It is embarrassing. It is frustrating. And no matter what you do, it never goes away. You buy the sprays, you buy the foams, you buy the special bathroom cleaners that promise miracles on the label. You spend $8, $12, sometimes $20 on a single bottle. You spray it on, you wait, you scrub until your arm hurts. And you know what happens? Nothing. The stain laughs at you. It is still there, maybe slightly lighter, but still there. And the next week it is worse again, because hard water does not stop. Hard water is full of calcium and magnesium minerals. Every time water touches your glass and dries, those minerals stay behind. They bond to the surface like glue. Regular soap and water cannot touch them. Regular cleaners cannot break them down. So what do most people do? They call a professional cleaner, and that professional charges you $150, $200, sometimes $300 just to clean a shower door. Or they tell you the glass is permanently damaged and needs replacing. A new shower glass door costs $400, $600. Some go up to $1,000. All because of white mineral deposits. All because of a problem that has a $1 solution. A solution they never told you about. A solution that has existed for over 80 years. Here is the truth they buried. Back in the 1940s, housewives across America already knew this secret. It was passed down in kitchens, written in handwritten recipe cards, whispered between neighbors. White distilled vinegar dissolved mineral deposits completely. Scientists understood exactly why. Vinegar is acetic acid. Hard water stains are alkaline mineral deposits. Acid dissolves alkaline. It is basic chemistry. It is undeniable science. But then something happened. The 1950s brought the rise of the American consumer economy. Big chemical companies smelled money. Companies like S.C. Johnson, Procter & Gamble, Reckitt Benckiser. They looked at this simple vinegar solution and they panicked. Because you cannot patent vinegar. You cannot charge $15 for vinegar. You cannot build a billion-dollar cleaning empire on something that costs $1 at any grocery store. So they did what big corporations always do. They invented a problem. They spent millions on advertising campaigns that made people believe their bathrooms were breeding grounds for dangerous bacteria. They used words like industrial strength and professional formula and laboratory tested. They made ordinary people feel like amateurs, like they needed expert chemical solutions just to clean their own homes. They funded studies that never mentioned vinegar. They lobbied to keep natural cleaning solutions off mainstream media. They paid influencers and homemaking magazines to only recommend their branded products. And it worked. An entire generation forgot what their grandmothers knew. The $1 solution disappeared from public knowledge. And the cleaning industry grew into a $30 billion empire built entirely on your ignorance. Only 1% of people still know this. You are about to become one of them. Now let me show you exactly what to do. What you're about to see is so simple, it will make you angry. Angry that you spent years scrubbing. Angry that you wasted hundreds of dollars. Take plain white distilled vinegar, the cheap kind, the $1 bottle at the dollar store. That is all you need. Pour it into a spray bottle. Do not dilute it. Full strength. Now spray it directly onto your shower glass. Cover every inch of those hard water stains. Do not wipe it yet. This is the step everyone skips. You have to let the vinegar sit. The acid needs time to break down those mineral bonds. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. Set a timer. Walk away. The vinegar is working even when you cannot see it. It is dissolving decades of calcium buildup at the molecular level. Now come back. Take a microfiber cloth or even just a crumpled piece of newspaper. Wipe in small circular motions. You will see the stains lifting immediately. Immediately. Things that $15 sprays could never touch are disappearing in seconds. Rinse the glass with warm water. Look at it. Really look at it. That is what clean glass actually looks like. You probably forgot. Now here's the part that makes this truly permanent. Mix equal parts vinegar and water in a small spray bottle. Keep it in your shower. Every time you finish showering, give the glass 2 quick sprays and wipe with a squeegee. 20 seconds. That is all it takes. Hard water stains will never build up again. Never. Because you are neutralizing the minerals before they bond to the surface, before they harden, before they become the nightmare you have been living with. But wait, because it gets even better. Vinegar does not just clean, vinegar sanitizes. Studies published by food science researchers confirm that undiluted white vinegar kills 82% of known mold species. It kills bacteria on surfaces. It eliminates soap scum at the same time as the hard water stains. Your shower glass will not just look clean, it will actually be clean. Cleaner than it has ever been with any store-bought product. And here is something the cleaning companies truly hate. Vinegar leaves no chemical residue. Those expensive cleaners leave behind surfactant films. Those films actually attract more dirt and minerals faster. So the cleaner you use creates the very problem it claims to solve. You buy it. It makes the problem worse. You buy more. It is a perfect trap. Vinegar breaks that cycle completely. It leaves the glass molecularly clean with nothing for minerals to cling to. The stains come back slower, much slower, and when they do come back, your $1 vinegar spray handles them in seconds. Some people worry about the smell. The vinegar smell is temporary. It disappears completely as the vinegar dries, usually within 5 to 10 minutes. Your bathroom will not smell like a salad. It will smell like nothing, like clean air, like a bathroom actually should. Now I want to give you the advanced method, the one for stains that have been sitting for years, the truly stubborn ones that have almost etched into the glass. Take your undiluted vinegar and heat it, not boiling, just warm. Microwave it for 30 seconds. Warm vinegar has significantly higher reactivity. The acid works faster and penetrates deeper into mineral deposits. Spray the warm vinegar on the glass. Then take paper towels and press them flat against the glass surface. Soak those paper towels in vinegar too. You are creating a vinegar compress directly on the stains. Leave this compress on for 30 full minutes. The sustained acid contact will break down even the most stubborn years-old mineral deposits. After 30 minutes, remove the paper towels. Mix a small amount of baking soda with just enough vinegar to make a paste. The fizzing reaction you see is carbon dioxide being released as the acid and base react. That fizzing action is mechanical. It physically lifts remaining mineral particles off the glass surface. Scrub gently with this paste using a soft cloth or an old toothbrush for corners. Rinse thoroughly. Your glass will look brand new, not better. New, like the day it was installed. This method works on fiberglass shower walls too, on bathroom tiles, on chrome faucets covered in white buildup, on stainless steel fixtures. 1 bottle of vinegar, $1, your entire bathroom transformed. Here is something else nobody is telling you. The reason your glass looks permanently cloudy even after cleaning might not be hard water alone. It might be etching. When hard water stains sit on glass for too long, the minerals can actually etch micro scratches into the surface. Light scatters in those scratches and creates that permanent cloudy look. The cleaning companies love this because they tell you the glass is ruined. They tell you to buy replacement panels. What they do not tell you is that those micro scratches can be filled. After you remove all the hard water deposits with your vinegar treatment, apply a thin coat of car or windshield water repellent. Products like Rain X cost about $8 and last for months. The liquid fills those micro scratches optically. It also creates a hydrophobic surface that makes water bead up and roll completely off the glass. Hard water minerals cannot deposit on a surface where water does not stay. You have just made your shower glass self-cleaning. That is not an exaggeration. Water literally rolls off, taking minerals with it. Your shower glass will stay cleaner for months with almost zero maintenance. The entire solution costs under $10 total. The cleaning industry solution for the same result would cost you hundreds of dollars in specialized products. Now you know the truth. You have the knowledge they spent decades trying to bury. You have the exact method. You have the science. You have the permanent solution. But I want you to do one thing right now. Go to your kitchen, grab that vinegar bottle, look at your shower glass, and realize you have had the answer this whole time. You just were not told. Share this with someone you know who's still buying expensive cleaning products. They need to see this, because this information spreading is exactly what these corporations are afraid of. If this helped you, hit that like button right now. It costs you nothing, and it helps this channel reach more people who are still trapped paying for solutions they do not need. Subscribe, because next week I'm exposing something even bigger. Something about the $200 drain cleaning industry and the 50-cent solution that clears any clogged drain in under 5 minutes. Something plumbers have been hoping you never discover. And here is your final shocking tip. That same vinegar and baking soda combination you used on your glass, pour it down your shower drain after you finish cleaning. It will dissolve soap, scum, and hair buildup sitting in your pipes. Your drain will flow faster. Your shower will dry faster. Less standing water means fewer future hard water deposits on your glass. $1, one ingredient, your entire bathroom problem solved. You never have to overpay again. Never.